Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a story on Facebook. So let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app. Look at the top of your newsfeed for Create Story option. Simply tap on it to start creating your story. Now, choose the photo or video you want to add to your Facebook story. After selecting your photo or video, you have the option to personalize your story. You can add stickers, music, text, or more to make your story unique and engaging. Finally, tap on the share option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Your story will now be shared with your Facebook friends. And that's it. This is how you can add a story on Facebook. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.